to show you how to do subtraction on a number line. Our problem right here is 345 minus 230. First thing you want to do first is go ahead and put those numbers on a number line. So I have 345. I'm going to put in 230. Okay. Now on a number line, we always start with the smaller number at the beginning and the bigger number towards the end. So this is exactly how I want you guys to set up your number line. We're going to count forward from 230 to 345. When we're done, we're going to add up our skips. Let me show you how we're going to do our skips. We're going to put down our first skip. Now when you skip like this, you can skip by 5s, 10s, 50s, or 100s. What do you think would be the fastest way to get from 230 to 345 as close as you possibly can? Fastest way would be to start with 100. Okay, so if I skipped 100 from 230, 230 plus 100 would give me 330. Okay, I'm going to label my 330 right here. Can I do another 100 to get to 345? No, that's going to be too much because 330 plus 100 would give me 430. So let's go down to jumping by 10. If we jump by 50, that would be way too big because 330 plus 50 would give me 380. So here we go. Let's put a plus 10. 330 plus 10 would give me 340. We're getting real close to 345. How many more skips do you think we're going to have to make to get from 340 to 345? If you count from 340 to 345, that would give you only 5 skips. So we are going to add in 5. Okay, so there we go. We have 100 plus 10. Let me put that little plus sign right there. 100 plus 10 plus 5. This is how we're going to find out what 345 minus 230 is equals to by counting the number of jumps that we made starting from 230 and ending at 345. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do 100 plus 10 plus 5. I'm going to bring this in right here. 100 plus 10 plus 5 equals 115. 100 plus 10 plus 5 equals 115. So 345 minus 230 is equals to 115.